Children, now I am going to tell you about activity book activities. Children, all are take your activity books and open page number 18. Open, children. Okay, see here, children. First activity, can they eat the given food? Tick or cross the food items. See here, children. What are these pictures, children? Lion, sugarcane. Does the lion eat sugarcane, children? No. The lion eats only meat. What is the lion's food, children? Meat. The lion eats only meat. So, put here cross mark. Next pictures, children. What are these pictures? Elephant and fishes. Does the elephant eat fishes? Yes or no, children? No. The elephant eats sugarcane. What is the elephant's food? Sugarcane. This is a correct or wrong? Wrong. So put here cross mark. Next picture, children. What are these pictures? Baby and milk. Does the baby drink milk? Yes or no? Yes. The baby drinks only milk. Baby's food, milk. This is a correct. So, tick mark. Here put tick mark. See here, children. What are these pictures, children? Horse and grass. Does the horse eat grass? Yes or no? Yes. The horse eats grass. What is the horse food? Grass. This is a correct or wrong? Correct. Put here tick mark. Children, what are these pictures? Butterfly and juice. Does the butterfly eat juice? Children, does the butterfly drinks juice? Yes or no, children? No. The butterfly drinks only nectar. Butterfly food nectar. This is a wrong. So put here cross mark. Children, butterfly don't eat any food items. Butterfly absorb nectar in flowers. Next, children, what are these pictures? Cat, fruits and vegetables. Does the cat eat fruits and vegetables, children? This is a correct or wrong? Wrong. So put here cross mark. What is the cat's food, children? Cat food, meat or drinks milk also. Children, look at here. Fill in the blanks to tell about your food items. Draw the hands in each clock to represent the mentioned time. See here, children. When do we eat breakfast? In the morning, 8 a.m. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. 8 o'clock. Right here, children. 8 a.m. Cross the p.m. Okay, children. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. What is your favorite breakfast, children? My favorite breakfast is idli. Right here, idli. I D L I, idli. Children, what is the favorite breakfast? My favorite breakfast is idli. I-D-L-I, idli. Okay, children. See here, children. How to draw the 8 a.m. in the clock? How to draw the hours hand, children? 8 o'clock. This is a hours hand. This is a minutes hand. 8 o'clock. Next, children. When do we eat dinner, children? I eat dinner at 8 p.m. You also eat dinner at 8 p.m. Okay, children, write here 8. 8. Strike out AM. PM is correct. My favorite item for dinner is chapati. C H A P A T I. Draw the hands here. 8. This is a hours hand. This is a minutes hand. 8 p.m. Next, children, when do we eat snacks? Evening time, 4 p.m. I eat snacks at 4 p.m. Right here, 4. Strike out AM. PM. 4 p.m. I eat snacks at 4 p.m. My favorite snack item is, what is your favorite snack item, children? My favorite snack item, noodles. You write noodles. N O D L E S, noodles. Here, draw the hands. 4 p.m. This is a hours hand, short hand. This is a minutes hand. 4 p.m. When do we eat lunch, children? I eat lunch at 1 p.m. Right here, 1 p.m. a.m. strike out. What is your favorite lunch, children? Biryani. My favorite item for lunch is biryani. B-I-R Y-A-N-I, biryani. Draw here 1 p.m. children. This is a short hand. Hours. This is a long hand. Minutes and hours hand. Once again repeat, children. Fill in the blanks to tell about your food habits. Draw the hands in each clock to represent the mentioned time. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. This is a 8 a.m. My favorite breakfast is idli. I-D-L-I, idli. I eat dinner at 8 p.m. This is 8 p.m. My favorite item for dinner is chapati. C-H-A-P-A-T-I. Chapati. I eat snacks at 4 p.m. Draw here 4 p.m. My favorite snack item is noodles. N-O-O-D-L-E-S. Noodles. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. Draw 1 p.m. My favorite item for lunch is biryani. B-I-R-Y-A-N-I. Biryani. Children, next page. We eat different parts of plants. Match the following to the part of the plant they represent. This is a matching, children. Children, all are take one scale. Okay. See here, children. Seeds, potato, cauliflower, watermelon, carrot, cabbage. Root, stem, leaf, flower, seed, fruit. Here, children, first one, root. What is the food substance formed in the root? In all pictures, carrot. Root and carrot. Root is a carrot. Okay, children. Next, stem. What is the food substance formed in the stem? Potato. Next, leaf. Underground stem. Next, leaf. What is the food substance formed in the leaf? Cabbage. Cabbage is leafy vegetable. Next, children, flower. What is the food substance formed in the flower? Cauliflower. Next, seed. What is the food substance formed in the seed? Seeds, beans. Next, fruit. What is the food substance formed in the fruit? Watermelon. Root, carrot. Underground stem, potato. Leaf, cabbage. Flower, cauliflower. Seed, bean seeds. Fruit, watermelon. Children, match the following based on the fuel used. What is this, children? Kerosene, electricity flag, coal, wood, LPG, gas stove, electrical induction stove, kerosene stove, coal stove, traditional wood stove. First one, children, stove, LPG gas stove. These are fuels, children: kerosene, electricity, coal, wood, gas, fuel. These are stoves: gas stove, induction stove, kerosene stove, coal stove, traditional wood stove. Which fuel used which stove? First one, gas stove. Fuel, LPG, gas. Next, electrical induction stove. Fuel, electricity. Next, kerosene stove. Fuel, kerosene. Coal stove. Fuel, coal. Traditional wood stove. Fuel, wood. Okay, children. Children, turn the page. We get different type of food from animals. Put M for the animals which provide us at least two types of food. Two types of food. Put M for the animals which provide us at least two types of food. S for the animals which provide us one type of food only. S for the animal which provide us one type of food only, and N for the animals which we do not consider as a source of food. Okay children, first picture, fish. Fish gives us one type of food. Right here S mark. Next, lion. We don't consider as a source of food. So right here N letter. Next, mosquito. Mosquito also we do not consider as a source of food. So right here N letter. Next, hen. Hen gives us two types of food, eggs and meat. So right here M letter. What is this picture children? Goat. Goat gives us meat, one type of food. Right here S. Next picture children, crab. Crab give us one type of food. Right here S. France give us one type of food. Right here S. What is this picture children? Eagle. We do not consider as a source of food. Right here N. Some goats give us milk also. What is this picture children? Crocodile. We don't consider it as a source of food. So right here N letter. Next, emu bird. What is this picture children? Emu bird. Emu bird gives us two types of food. One type of food eggs and another type of food meat. So right here M letter. Next, camel. What is this children? Desert animal camel. Camel gives us two types of food, milk and meat. Right here M letter. Next, what is this children? Honey. Honey bees is here. Right, honey gives us one type of food. Right here S. Next children, what is this animal name? Elephant. Elephant we don't consider as a source of food. Right here N letter. Next, duck children. Duck two types of food. Duck gives us two types of food, egg and meat. Right here S. Don't write S children, write M. Ducks gives us two types of food, egg and meat. Next, cock children. Cock gives us only one type of food. So right here S. Next picture, what is picture children? Lizard. We don't consider as a source of food. Right here N letter. Okay children, put symbols neatly. Okay, I will meet in the next class. Thank you.